But I don't think they'll ever ask that of themselves. So we'll just move on to the cases and the impeachment and whatever will come in the new year.
So, you mentioned that you regret saying or making such threat to the President and the First Lady and the Speaker?
At yung ma'am, buti na yung alam nila ma'am na pag namatay ako, hindi talaga ako, I will not die in vain.
CP, you mentioned the 2028 presidential elections, that all of the attacks of the Marcos government to you now is all connected to 2028. The last time, a sitting vice president, a very popular sitting vice president, was investigated for corruption allegations and refused to respond in the public forum. Natalo po siya sa elections, and I'm referring to former Vice President Jejomar Binay. Ma'am, are you concerned that your enemies would be able to turn public